Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usama Pasha Turk, and I'm here to present the semester project of data structure, which is student record systems, along with my group members Amir Hamza and Danish Aftab. And basically, in that system, we are going to make a record system by entering the name, registration number, and a father name or a CGPA of a particular student. And after that, we have several ways to display all the student records, and we can also access a particular student record by entering his registration number, or we can also delete that particular. The main and the final feature of our record system is that we can find the level of our nodes, or you can say that we can find a depth of our node system. Basically, we have make a login system in which only the admin has the authority to enter that particular record systems by entering his username and password. Basically, it is just for the security of our record system that no unauthorized person has access to enter into record systems. So I'm going to show you. This is the loop in which the username and the password um, is setting, and so I'll show you after running compile and run. Just wait a second. I think I yeah. That is the login page in which I'm going to put my username and the password, which is buffer 0. And so boom, this is the main feature list of our project. Now I will invite Mr. Amir Hamza to proceed further.
Enter record. This is the first feature of our project. In this feature, we will allow user to enter his data like registration number, student name, and his father name and the current CGPA. Now Pasha will show us the code. This is the code.
Where I'm entering the student registration number and
Okay, now go back to the second feature. Display data. In this feature, we can show the already entered data in our record system. Like you are watching three data sets, row number 427 and row number 440 and row number 442, 443. Now Pasha show us the code. In this feature, we can show our previously entered data like you are watching on our screen, 427 roll number and roll number 440. Okay. Now the third feature, search record. In this feature, we can also search student record by entering his registration number, as you can see in our output. Like this.
so I will invite Mr. Danish Aftab to speak and to proceed further.
Assalamu alaikum. In this picture, we have had if you want to check total number of students in our record system, we have made a system to check total number of students we have entered. So in the program code, if you want to check, we as we have previously entered two students record, so it is showing total number of students are two. Now moving towards next feature, depth of specific node. We can check the depth of specific record we have entered in the our system. If as It's starting from from root node and making a tree. So it is showing to so it shows the total number of nodes at different levels, from level 1 to level 2, level 3, as we are going down and down in the tree. As shown in the code, our running command window, total as we as by entering registration of a particular student, we can check the depth of node.
Yeah, you can see that as I put the registration number 440, so it's telling how much the depth of that particular node. So now I'm going through a little bit from the code, and here is our project code. So I will also attach the file of that code into the Google Classroom, so you can visit that. And I'm also sharing the YouTube link of our video of um, on the last page of our slide. So thank you. Here is our semester project, and thank you very much.